Long ago, our people lived close to the land and the sea. We fished in the ocean, we gathered coconuts, taro, and breadfruit. Food was fresh, natural, and full of life. Because of this, our bodies were strong, our spirits were high, and our communities thrived. Then came the days of phosphate. Our small island became rich almost overnight. But with this wealth came something else: imported foods. Canned meats, instant noodles, sugary drinks, they were new, exciting, and easy. Slowly, these foods replaced the fresh meals of our grandparents. The land was stripped, farming was harder, and imported goods became the norm. At first it felt modern. It felt convenient. But soon the cost showed itself. Our health began to fade. Diabetes, heart disease, and obesity touched almost every family. We became known not for our strength, but for our struggles with health. This was never the life our ancestors imagined for us. This was never the life the Creator gave to us. But our story is not over. We do not have to remain trapped by these changes. We can remember the wisdom of our ancestors and bring it into today. We can choose foods that give life, not sickness. We can choose habits that bring energy, not weakness. And we can shift our mindset to see health not as a burden, but as a gift we give ourselves and our families. Imagine a future where Nauru is again known for strong people, healthy families, and long lives. Where children grow up eating fresh, nourishing foods and run with energy and joy. Where parents and grandparents live long enough to share their wisdom and love. That future begins with us, with small choices, with a shift in mindset, with the courage to return to the strength of our roots. Our food is our strength, our health is our wealth. Together we can build a future where Nauru shines strong again.